Hi guys, new product alert. We have Kiss Salon Dip, no UV light needed, easy removal. The first step, we want to remove all the natural oils from the nail. Now it's time to size 1/16 of an inch into the free edge of the nail, right by the sidewall, and go side to side. Make sure that your own nail is not exposed underneath the tip. Use your brush-on nail glue and lightly right in the well area. Now we're ready to file and shape the nails. Today I choose to do a coffin nail, which is very on trend. Now we're ready for our dip powder. I'm going to start with my brush-on gel glue. As I'm applying it, go up to the cuticle, not too much product. Slide your finger in using your sponge. If you find that you're having a separation between your nail and the tip, filling that in first before you go over the entire nail. You apply right by the stress area where your nail meets the tip, and then you take your dip powder just to fill in that crack or divot. Again, using your sponge. Now we're ready for our second layer of brush-on gel glue. On your second coat, you can go a little bit more generous. Next is our activator. This allows the glue to dry lightning speed, and it just finishes off our process. Now we're ready to file and shape our nails and apply the activator to finish off the product. The final step is the brush-on gel glue. Make sure you cover the entire nail and cap the tip, and we're going to allow this to air dry.